Ukija na njugu. Mimi ndo atajua mimi ndo anakanga haya.
Unakumbuka tukiongelelea 12 something about 12.
Nakumbuka jamaa. Kanitake tuanze na wewe. Sio kuna chinga. Kuja hapa.
Unataka nichome? Kama un brand man. Sasa mageu ndio kwanza.
Hebu ongeza vile ulikuwa ongeza.
Hiyo simu yangu ikivibrate.
Nice. I like that.
Unaweza kwa frame.
You can just do your thing then.
Is the syrups on that side? Syrups with your side.
Guys, so naona nika space yangu imeenda.
Nikamuuliza hata nice one. Mali safi. By the chuma, you know, check it. I'm always the one sitting with the drinks, man. Just look.
Today I have my cool hat, man.
Ooh, me too.
Yeah.
Oh my day.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh my.
Is this a hat or a Marvin?
That's a Marvin. Na mimi yangu na sisi ni toate.
I don't know.
Crossbreed of a Marvin and a hat.
Marvin is like a Marvin and a hat decided to do that
what
thing.
do you think about this hat? This what? This hat.
You're talking
How
about
do you call it? This
my
is a Marvin.
That one.
This is a
Mali.
Oh, it's not a crossbreed.
What are you making, by the way? Unatengeneza nini?
Natengeneza Swahili.
Oh, walai. Oh my days.
Kuna manager hapa ameniacha bila la glass hata moja.
Oh,
Swimming.
sijali.
Where is the manager? Can you see?
He's smiling behind the scene.
Alright.
What are you guys doing today?
You know, me I'm okay.
We are hydrating.
But me, I'm thirsty though.
Yeah, this one is thirsty.
This one is the thirsty one.
Me?
Chuma, you ain't thirsty.
Who?
You ain't thirsty. Big man thing, yeah?
Alright.
Okay.
So unasema George manze, what's up man? How have you been? I've been doing exams. Zimekuwa mbaya manze. Mimi nataka tu ma cocktails leo nisahau.
Usahau hiyo story ya exams.
What? What?
Straws.
Oh.
I'm a cat in a very black days.
Oh, this is the
Swahili.
Baby,
Uko sure unaongea hapo Kiswahili?
Hapo.
Ama Swahili.
Silidakari ya Swahili.
So
Hatujui wewe tuambie.
Swahili imetoka Tanzania fresh.
fresh.
So if you take it Swahili,
Nice.
ongei nini? Unasema no English.
No English.
It's Swahili.
Baby, as anatengeneza stuff. Mali, me have heard so much about you manze. Nimesikia wewe unajua kutengeneza chai.
Ukweli hapo nao si uongo.
Tell me about what you do, bana. You are the breakfast.
Yeah,
You can make me
breakfast
drunk
day.
in the morning.
Yes, of course. Yes, please. We advise that.
Yeah.
We advise that.
I just want some coffee.
Some coffee.
What is your specialty?
My specialty is coffee and tea.
Tea, chai.
Yeah,
right.
chai, majani chai.
Majani. Oh, okay.
Na kahawa.
Alright.
Since we are being,
chai?
since tunatengenezewa Swahili, hata tuongee Kiswahili.
Swahili. Okay.
Funny fact, mimi ni Mswahili.
Oh.
Yes.
What's but
Hivyo unapenda Swahili?
By the way, Batela kwa Swahili, mimi ni Mswahili mo.
Kuna asidani kuna.
Mama nitilie.
Mama nitilie.
You know that song of
Nice one.
I don't know.
Batendi.
Wrong.
Batendi.
What a mixology in Swahili.
Google.
No, I think some things are too cool to be in Swahili.
Right.
Swahili,
Wazungu wako na
But we need to know.
too cool to be translated.
Please, someone, tafuteni bartender mixology in Swahili. Mtuambie.
Wafungwe nini?
Hawa watu wenye wako antisocial people. Just always on their phone doing nothing.
They can invent new names.
Yeah, as well.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm a barista. I'm a chef as well.
You're a chef. He is also a chef. You're a chef.
But check it, rum, chicken wings, all the way.
I told you, the first bite of that pineapple was like, chicken wings.
Yeah. Look, Brian,
I'm already hungry.
You're hungry and you're thirsty.
I'm hungry and I'm thirsty. But you know, we're being made something over here.
Yeah.
I want Brian to tell us more about it.
So today's cocktail, we're going to dedicate today's cocktail to Jasper.
All right. The one and only. Yeah. Why though? Why?
Chef Jasper, because he's we're talking about roasted pineapple.
Oh my days. Oh my.
That is the roasted pineapple.
Look at that. Wait, don't jinx.
Could we zoom in on that?
With the drinks, man.
Oh my days, it's like a... I like it.
And today I have a big flask.
Maybe this is your favorite thing, right?
My favorite infused.
Where's the menu? I want to see what roasted pineapple has. Because, you know...
Where's your recipe?
Yes, here's your recipe. Like,
He's a chef in his own category.
let me tell you.
So mimi niko hapa.
Huko hapa.
Imeandikwaje?
Mali safi.
Hapo sawa.
Hata sasa kujo nini? Nataka tu nipatie. Hiyo kwanza hata anaweza ifiche hivi.
Surprise me.
You surprise me.
Oh my God.
The pineapple is... Najaweka pineapple hapa, but ndio roasted pineapple.
I hope hey, you have that spoon of mine by the way.
Honey lime.
You have my
nice.
signature spoon. Where's my spoon? I hope you didn't give it out.
You have your own spoon. Who wants to see what roasted pineapple has?
I don't.
I've seen it and I like it.
Sure.
Siwaambii wakuje ndio wajue. Mimi najua iko na nini. Iko na greatness.
Chuma, that special spoon is for me. You know why? Because for me, I don't suck my shots or cocktails.
Where we
start them?
You don't do what now?
I don't suck shit. But don't worry, I'm not discouraging them.
I remember you asking me my favorite part. See this part I'm doing here?
This is my favorite part. No, you was introducing people to new rams.
Give us.
Oh, let me.
Let's see.
Nice.
People get information.
See?
Unadu nini kwanza?
Sijui inaonanga kigonga hivi.
Alafu una
Is it with the right or the left?
sasa hivi ufungua sasa nawe ikanishika.
Hivi. Ama hivi.
Tipsy Barista support.
Yes.
Hapa chini.
Unashikilia hapa hapa down.
Juu ukishika hivi inaweza
Inaweza damn. Sasa inashikilia from
Then you're going to toast it up and throw up with it.
I can't do that.
Not the roasted pineapple.
You guys can hear the sound, right?
Yeah.
Your hands.
How are you feeling? You can do for 3 more
cool
minutes,
now,
right?
Well, like don't you feel numb after some time?
Exactly.
The numbness goes away. And you have to. They say you have to play yourself right. That's why sometimes we have water here.
Oh.
That's why our hands are always wet.
That's what he said.
That's what she said, right?
Just look at the way it's all leveled, man.
Oh my days.
Oh my days.
I do want a shot of this.
Somebody to pan down this, right?
A shot of this.
A shot of this. Can you zoom? Zoom in on that.
So Brian, this one's if you take how many you are outside completely.
You want to be
Hivyo tu. Isikuwa tatu tu hivyo.
How many do you take for you to be chaied up?
tea time.
Tea time is chai.
Yeah.
Our chai today is, like I said, it's dedicated to
The one and only, yeah.
because he's been crying. Oh my days, crying a lot.
Does it just look lovely?
Hey, but I know you know cool things, so I hope this is very
Those
premium.
that know, for those that
Don't know.
understand our old monk memories.
Ndio hiyo sasa.
Oh, then when you have to greet me. Oh my days.
So monk goes as a nice float.
Look at that.
Ningekuwa na kahao.
Now see. Look at that infuse. Oh my days.
Nice.
You know what I've thought?
Yeah.
In my house for dessert, we shall be having cocktails.
I know, right?
So we have like-
Mtoto hivi mtu anakupea.
Yeah, so
Cocktail is actually a nice dessert.
Yeah.
see,
Sasa ukichapa shot ya hii kitu unajambia wao sasa
A
inasikia
well-made
time.
cocktail.
yeah. Not
Funny
like
enough.
Some things
Yeah.
that you drink.
somewhere that I know of, which I'll not disclose. But fuck those guys, though.
What guy?
No, they know
Funny
themselves.
fact about where I'm working. I'm working at a gym.
Okay.
So everybody asked me, how the hell are you selling alcohol?
I'm in a gym.
Kwa gym, like,
Maybe
who
I
the fuck
did.
does that? Like,
I also
when
asked you that, like-
Wewe ni mali, so sure. Vitu zako ni safi, like
Yes.
they have to know that.
You don't have to drink ule.
Oh my
To be
days.
honest. Unakunywa tu
The Ram Caravan roasted pineapple.
Yeah, spicy chai.
By one, he was the
Katush.
Oh, this is honey.
Yes, honey, I'm home.
Honey inakaa so nasty.
Well, cut.
No.
Like honey is a nasty liquid.
No, cut.
No. We're the Ram
Sticky?
Caravan.
Yeah, like
And we're taking
Sticky,
chai.
nasty. Oh. Icky. Oh, no way. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Ah.
Eh? And one from Brian. Here you find honey what?
oh, this is OJ your spoon. This is the spoon that you're saying is yours.
No. Here's
What is
my
this?
yellow spoon. I don't know where you
What
took
yellow
it.
spoon?
Oh, this is the thing that is on the Ram Caravan.
Yes, this one.
What is this?
It's a spoon. It's a bar spoon.
Oh,
It's a multi.
I thought it had like a cooler
You know,
name.
this tool does a lot of things. Kijiko, it's a weighing thing. You can pass sparkling drinks through this so that it does not freeze up.
Oh,
my
You can
God,
use
that's
this
dumb as
and
fuck.
match the thing. So it's a multi.
a multitasker. This is a dope match for the.
For the ancestors. Brian, you've forgotten that spoon of mine.
Which spoon? I don't even know what
Is that yellow spoon that I used to have last year? Where did you take it? It's yellow like this. It had some bee. It had a bee thing.
Yeah, you guys cannot be talking about the spoon and we're listening.
I'm like,
You're about to introduce the episode. This guy is talking about spoons. You can introduce that.
That was the signature. You know that is signature.
Now me I want to know what is being made. You are telling me about a spoon.
unatengeneza
Tengeneza nini man?
There's a business.
business. Ah, nice.
This.
Ah, that's why it has honey.
Yeah,
The nasty
of
liquid.
honey. Very amazing sweet gin. Gibson's blood orange. Then we blend it with an aperitivo. It's
An aperitivo.
It's a sweet bitter.
Tena kwa gym.
Ziko kwa jini. Oh, hii ni ram. Imeisha jini iko wapi? Kwa nyuma.
Oh my days. You guys will pour this. You want to pour chai? Yeah, you want to pour chai.
Oh, it's bees. Mimi nisikia bees. Ni magoti ya nyuki.
I'm out.
Yeah, it's like direct translation. Do you know maybe if a bee stings you,
Or if you
it dies by the.
Yeah, no.
So this is like a bee sting.
so you'll do the bee walk.
You'll do the bee walk.
Which is table shows.
know.
Who shows the bee
Sure.
walk?
Yes, the bee walk.
No, that's
Mad, man. It looks lovely.
That is the bees. The bees.
be begging, please.
How about you be on your knees?
Nice. It's color pink or like can I have
Akisha,
Yeah, it's a shade of
lakini
orange.
ita
That is
change
orange.
color, yeah?
Our line iko colorblind. Hey, color orange.
Ah, very nice.
Oh my days.
Yeah, so
Business.
Another round of business.
business.
You see, they are such a
But then, Brayo, you guys have an event,
Yeah.
man.
More.
Can you talk about that?
I think it's very nice. So,
Do you know about the event, OJ? Have you heard about the event?
this event,
It's on
It's on Valentine's.
Valentine's.
Is it on Valentine?
tell us about your Valentine affair.
Yeah.
Valentino affairs.
My Valentino affairs. I'm single, guys. And happy.
Talk about your love of coffee.
Love of coffee.
But
You.
I'm kidding.
She ain't single. She's in love
So
with
yeah,
coffee.
I'll be taking coffee on a date. So I'll love everybody, coffee lovers, tea lovers, to come and join me.
Yeah, I'm in a toxic relationship with coffee.
Oh, don't worry. We
Coffee
have,
without
We
sugar.
have tea. We have,
Ah,
and I
come
don't drink
on.
my coffee with sugar. So
No, people that drink
You also
coffee
don't
with
take
sugar.
coffee with sugar, right?
yeah, I
Why?
don't.
Exactly.
Coffee is not to be drunk
You
with
shouldn't
sugar.
be taking
But how are
coffee
you
with
going to?
sugar.
How are you going to? How are you going to explore all these
Those
flavors in this coffee?
I'll just
Put
call you.
sugar.
God,
You go.
this is a rich person, man. Yeah, just tell me, give me my details, and I'll be like, yeah. You know what? This drink iko na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
But yeye akikunywa yeye ataonjea ni sukari ndii.
Sukari imejaa.
No. I want to take you guys on a tour, an experience of a 4-course coffee tales.
Oh my days.
So you're going to experience 4 coffee drinks, not as cappuccino, not as I don't know iced. I'll talk about one of my drink on that day on 14. It's called M's Kiss.
Hey,
Yes.
Oh my days.
Yes.
who is
Yes.
M? Who is M?
M is me. M is me. M is me.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I'm triple M, so you guys should taste M's Kiss.
I'll be there,
Yeah.
and I'll tell them about it.
Please do. And
I'll
you
tell
should
them
come.
about it.
The tickets are 1,500. You
Okay.
get 3 cocktails and a shot.
And it's on Valentine.
And
Like,
some
look at this place.
Bring your lovers,
Yeah.
fuckers. You don't know, man.
Yeah,
Avocados.
Maybe Valentine
All of
for
them.
mpango wa kando. Check your mpango wa kando
Hapana,
out.
lakini acha nikwambie kama una receiving flowers every month, why you worried, eh?
Man.
Why you worried? Kama unapenda, upende siku moja.
Manze.
Mimi nasipendi, I don't like, mimi sipendi kahawa siku moja. I love coffee every single day. That's why M's Kiss is going to be,
It's a chef's thing.
it's a chef's kiss. So yeah.
You like the
I like it. Is that the same day where we'll be having also sip and paint?
Sip and paint, yes.
Sip and paint is
Sip and
the
paint
next
is
day?
another event.
It's another day.
It's not on the next day. It's so
On a
we have yours
Saturday.
on the 14th.
You have
Then
the
on
comedian.
16th, yes, on the 16th we have Sip and Paint. The comedy night was still not confirmed on the 14th, but it should be on the same night.
Yeah.
We have the guests.
Okay.
Oh my
Wait,
days.
for you, do you have to come in the morning because
No, you don't have to come in the morning because I will leave work early so that I can be here. So, or maybe not.
What you're asking is
Because
what's the schedule?
yeah, what's the
Schedule.
schedule? Yeah,
The schedule
like,
for
for the event.
the schedule for the event is we